Hi everyone, I'm Giselle.
And I'm Timothy, and we are from Far East Organisation.
Today we are going to show you Alana, a luxurious cluster landed development located at Sunrise Terrace.
Key amenities such as Ang Mo Kio Hub, Junction 8 Shopping Centre, and Greenwich V are also a short drive away.
And the nearby city offers excellent connectivity and easy access to all parts of the island. Here we are at Alana. Today we'll be visiting house 174.
As a cluster landed development, all 78 houses here in Alana shares a grand entrance as well as lifestyle facilities such as the gymnasium and the pools.
This is house 174. It's a 3,509 square feet, 4-bedroom unit located very close to the 30-meter LED pool and spa garden.
This is a north-south facing unit, a very breezy unit that's unaffected by the afternoon sun. As you can see, this is a wide frontage. This is 7.5 meters. It's 1.5 meters wider than your normal inter-terrace unit frontage. So come, let's take a look at the unit. This is a spacious living room with a high ceiling height and a full-length glass door on both sides of the unit to allow a lot of natural light into the unit. So this unit will feel very bright itself. And you get a full view of the large greenery outside that you saw earlier. Okay, and here we have the big coffee table as well as a 3-seater sofa in the living room. And this side here on my left is an extension of the living room. So you're able to add on 2 more chairs as well as a small coffee table for your own private time. Here we are in the well-lit dining area. It's able to fit up to an 8-seater dining table. Perfect place for all your small family gatherings. Everybody will want to come to this area together with you. And right outside here, we actually have a garden area. So for all those gardening enthusiasts who love growing their spices and flowers, they can do it right out here. And you can take it right straight to the kitchen. So come, let me show you the kitchen. So right beside me, we have large windows to actually allow good ventilation in the kitchen itself. And over here, we actually built in the glass door to separate out your wet and dry kitchen. So you can block out all the cooking smell from the stove itself. And we even fitted the unit with a lot of storage space and is well equipped with takeout appliances, so from the fridge, the oven, as well as a space for you who loves wine. You can actually have a wine chiller right at the bottom. Right, enough with the first floor, let me take you up to the second floor. Here we are at level 2. This is the master bedroom. It's a huge master bedroom that allows you to fit a king-size bed. And over here we have a private balcony area that gives you an unblocked view to the pool area. We even included the balcony screens to allow privacy as well as ventilation. Here is the walk-in wardrobe area. Well designed, fitted with a lot of shelves for your clothes. And we have the ensuite bathroom with its bathtub as well as a separate shower area. This is bedroom 2. You can easily fit a king-size bed in this room. And right beside here, we actually have another balcony, an unblocked view, and you can easily see the clear blue skies. This is bedroom 3. Here is the fitted wardrobe and is able to fit up to a king-size bed. Over here, we have the large windows with its own privacy screens. And on my right, we have the ensuite Jack and Jill bathroom with the shower area as well as the rain shower provided. Now that's all for level 2. Now let Giselle take you to level 3.
Welcome to level 3. This is bedroom 4. Let me show you around. There's a direct access to the roof terrace. There's an ensuite bathroom and you can use this as your guest room or even turn it into your work from home office. So let me show you the highlight of level 3. Come this way. This is the open sky terrace. As you can see, you can place a huge dining table over here. There's a convenient washing point, easy access to the bathroom on the same level, an ideal setting for you to invite your friends over for gatherings, and look at this amazing view right here. By the way, all the aircon compressors are located on the rooftop, so you don't have to worry about heat or noise at all. Let me bring you down to the basement to have a look at your private parking lot. Let's go. We are now at the basement. There's a bomb shelter and a laundry yard right across. And here we are. This is your very own private parking space. Look at how spacious it is. At 7.5 meters wide, you can park 2 cars and still have lots of space.
And to recap, Alana is a cluster landed home filled with facilities such as a 50-meter lap pool and the spa garden pavilion.
It is a gated community with 24-hour security, and it's just a 7 minutes walk to the main road by the side gate.
So if you enjoy spacious landed living, yet want the security and facilities of a condo for your family, this is the place for you.